Have you ever found yourself having an emotional reaction at work? Let's talk about the ABC model of cognitive behavior. Imagine you're working on a critical project with a tight deadline. You send an email to a colleague requesting details you need. It's been a few hours and you haven't received a reply. You might start believing your colleague is ignoring your request. This may lead to feelings of frustration, stress, or even anger. As a result, you may end up sending an aggressive follow up email, which could negatively impact your working relationship with your colleague. Instead, take a moment to challenge your thoughts. Ask yourself questions like: is there any evidence this colleague is intentionally ignoring me? Could there be a valid reason for the delay? Have they responded promptly in the past? Disputing your initial beliefs might result in a change in emotional state. You may feel more patient and understanding, reducing your levels of stress and frustration. This new perspective can lead to a more constructive behavior, such as sending a polite follow up email to check on the status of your request. There you have it, the ABC model of cognitive behavior. Next time you're having an emotional reaction at work, try it.